Welcome back to Cobra Trading, everyone, where we focus on people, passion, and platforms. I'm Alex Bustos, and today we're going to be focusing on routes and why it's important to understand them. Stay tuned. When it comes to routes, you probably have heard of ECN, Electronic Communications Network. What is that exactly? Well, that gives brokers direct access to the market. So that way, when they place an order, or in this case, if you're using a direct access broker like Cobra Trading, then when you place an order, it goes directly to the market. So some examples of ECN routes are ARCA, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, and EDGE. Those are routes that give you direct access to the market. And why is this important? It's so when you place a trade, you're going to get executed in milliseconds and not seconds. And if you're an experienced trader, you know how long a second can feel, right? Especially if you want to get the hell out of there. It can really feel like you've been in there for hours. So you want to make sure that you have access to a direct access route. In this case, the examples I mentioned before. Now, if you've experienced big box brokers, the commercial names out there with the baby and all of those different names, right? If you've experienced trading with them, you know that when you want to get out of an order, sometimes it can take some time, a little bit longer. Maybe there's a delay, and there's a couple of reasons for that. So let me give you an example. When you have direct access, let's say Cobra Trading, right? And then you have a big box broker. To focus on the direct access, when you place an order, like we said, it goes directly to the market. Whereas if you're in a big box broker account, you place an order, first it stops to a middleman, which you probably heard of, market makers, right? It stops there, and then that market maker makes two decisions. He's thinking, do I put this into a batch of other orders, which if that happens, then it's going to slow down your execution. Or can he work it, depending on the spread, the bid and the ask, can he work it to where he can make a profit, which goes back to the big box broker, right? So that way they can offer you that free trade, if you will. So the difference between the two is you have control of your order. You can send it directly to right away, whereas it's going to go through all of these steps before it even gets decided on executing your order. When you're actually trading with a direct access broker like Cobra Trading, you can choose the routes. Like I mentioned before, the ARCA, the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, EDGE. And what's awesome about this is you can actually look at which route gives you rebates and which route's going to lower potentially your commission when you place a trade. And you're probably wondering, well, how do I know the commissions and the rebates that I can get? Well, there's going to be a link below that takes you to our website that shows you which routes you want to take when you're adding liquidity and taking away liquidity. Now, if you're not too sure what that means, don't worry. We're going to make another video in the future that talks about adding and taking away liquidity. So stay tuned for that. So hopefully after watching this video, you have a better understanding of the different routes that you can take when working with a direct access broker and why it's important to have the route knowledge. So if you've enjoyed this content, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified for future content like today's episode. Thanks.